Now, when dealing with a Jamaican man, where you come and bringing him water so random? He didn't ask for it. Hold on, watch this.
Water.
Huh?
Here.
What that for?
I bring you some water.
But me never asked you for water.
Here. You look thirsty. Here. Yeah. Take the water. You ain't gotta ask me for no water. I'm just thinking about my man.
And you just get water, can't give me just so?
So I can't think about you?
I'm bringing water.
Yeah. Drink it.
Oh. So you have a spoon in it for?
All right. It's all yours now. Drink it.
What the fuck, man? Why do I drink this? Come in and know what.
Why you not drinking it?
Babe,
just drink the water.
Take out the spoon out of the water. Nobody no give nobody water with spoon.
Oh gosh. Take the spoon out of the water. Nobody doesn't give anybody water with a spoon, in case you didn't catch what he said, yo.
Drink the water. It's good. Water is so healthy for you.